So yes, definitely, అలా కాక సో తెలుగు, తమిళ్, మలయాళం, హిందీ, కన్నడ ఇలా 5 లాంగ్వేజెస్లో కిస్ కిస్ కిసిక్ అంటూ, అంటే టైటిల్ హిందీలో వేరే ఉండిందండి. బట్ ఎస్, ఈ సినిమాతో అరంగేట్రం చేస్తూ ఈ సినిమాతో
తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకు నమస్కారం. ఆ, నేను విధిని ఈ నెల 21 మార్చ్న రిలీజ్ అవుతున్న నా సినిమా కిస్ కిస్ కిసిక్ ప్రమోషన్స్ మన లవ్లీ సిటీ బెంగళూరుకి వచ్చాను.
ఇది హైదరాబాద్. या प्रमोशंस इतना सारे होने के बाद होता है
हैदराबाद की వచ్చాను. లవ్లీ సిటీ हैदराबाद.
जब पैन इंडिया फिल्म हो ना ऐसा ही.
सॉरी, हैदराबाद की వచ్చాను. So please all go to the theaters and watch our film. It's made with lots of love and hard work, and with the grace of Master Ji, we all have received this opportunity to stand on this stage and have our first film as a pan-India release, and it's releasing worldwide as well. So it's a huge deal for all of us. So thank you so much.
ओके विधि जस्ट कंफ्यूज्ड बैंगलोर.
I've been to Hyderabad a lot.
Oh,
I'm
really?
actually
Okay.
doing a Telugu film as well.
Wow.
I just got confused with Bangalore and
No,
Hyderabad.
चलता है, कभी कभी होता है, मुझसे भी हो जाता है कभी कभी गलती. सो चलेगा. लेकिन मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूँगी. सो अबाउट गणेश आचार्य जी. सो व्हाट डू यू लाइक मोस्ट इन हिम?
I like how humble he is and how grounded he is, and he's been so kind to us, giving us this chance. Because nobody in the industry, I come from a non-filmy background, so nobody thinks of giving someone an opportunity in this industry, and he gave us this opportunity to work in it, and I'm very grateful for that. He's really grounded, and there's nothing else but to learn from him.
गणेश आचार्य जी का एक सिग्नेचर स्टेप है, पता है आपको? लवली. सो थैंक यू विधि. अबाउट सुशांत.
Sushant?
हाँ.
For Sushant, I would say he's a really hardworking person. I've seen him from day one. He has worked really, really hard in this film. I remember he used to come to the office in 7 a.m. in the morning, and he used to leave by 10 in the night, doing rehearsals all the time, dancing, acting, polishing his skills. And I have nothing but respect for him. The way he has worked in this film has been amazing.
थैंक यू सो मच. अभी माइक किसको देंगे? किसको देंगे हम अभी? जानिया कम.
Namaskaram Hyderabad. Na peru Janya Joshi. I'm here in Hyderabad for the first time, and I'm very nervous to be saying this because I learned this just now from Google Translate, and I may be wrong while I'm saying this, but Nenu ikkada undatam
This is Google.
chala bagundanani
Chala
bhavistana something. I'll read it properly and I'll tell you
अभी
all.
इसको Google में translate करना पड़ेगा.
In English, I am very, very happy to be here in Hyderabad. I am sorry for my Telugu, but I'm trying really hard. It's pleasant to be here. The people are so sweet and nice. So this film, Kisik, is releasing on 21st of March this year. The Hindi title is Pintu Ki Puppy, and I'm playing the role of Puppy. So Pintu's puppy is derived from there. And so we've worked really hard for this film. There are amazing songs, there are amazing comic scenes, there are lots of emotions, so much romance, and of course, world's best Master G's choreography. I am delighted, grateful, thankful, everything to be working with him and having this as my first opportunity. So thank you so much, and I seek and I wish for your support.
Thank you so much. Who's your most favorite actor in Telugu?
Telugu?
Yes.
I love Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun
He's
garu.
killing it.
Oh.
Yeah.
He recently.
And in girls, I love Srilila. She's so fab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
అందుకే తెలుగు, హిందీ, she's also like now pan Indian
Yeah,
actress. So now सुशांत जी, आपका टर्न है. आइए. तेलुगु में बोलेगा. मुझे तो लगता है आप भी गूगल ट्रांसलेटर. So you used it, no? Just before? Yeah, no worries. Go ahead.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు సుశాంత్ చంకే. ఎక్కడ ఉండడం నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నది. కు ప్రమోట్ నా ఫిల్మ్ కిస్ కిస్ కిసిక్ రిలీజింగ్ ఆన్ 21st ఆఫ్ మార్చ్ లా థియేటర్లు వరల్డ్ వైడ్. అండ్ నేను స్నేహి హైదరాబాద్. ఐ లవ్ హైదరాబాదీ ఫుడ్. ఐ లవ్ హైదరాబాదీ బిర్యానీ. And my native place, Kinvat, is situated at the border of Maharashtra and Telangana. So I feel deep connection with Telugu audience, Telangana and Hyderabad. And yeah, for the film, I would like to say it's a complete package film, as you saw in the trailer. There's lots of action, there's hilarious comedy, there's romance, and all fresh songs, and in Telugu language as well. And it's a film you can watch with your friends, with your family, with all age groups, and I assure you that you will enjoy it. And I request you, please give us an opportunity, and we will not disappoint you at all. Chala ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Okay, thank you.
పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్పీచ్ అసలు.
Understand what you said.
ఓ ఇప్పుడు అర్థం కాలేదని చెప్పారా? నెక్స్ట్ టైం అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏమన్నానో ఆయనకు అర్థం. యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ నౌ. ఓ వి అండర్స్టూడ్ ఫైనలీ. ఎస్. ఓ
Thank you so much.
సో గణేష్ ఆచార్య మాస్టర్ ఫస్ట్ సినిమాకి మీకు కొరియోగ్రఫీ చేయడం జరిగింది, అండ్ ఆయన బ్యానర్ త్రూ మీరు లాంచ్ అవుతున్నారు. వాట్ యూ సే అబౌట్ ఇట్?
For a newcomer like me who has never faced camera before, giving an opportunity at such a huge scale, it requires guts, and I've never seen such a gutsy person as Master Ji. And the amount of faith he had in me was tremendous. But he showed deep faith in me, and I tried really hard to prove him right. And I hereby promise him that I will keep on doing hard work and excelling in whatever I do. And about Master Ji, I would say, as Vidhi mentioned, Vidhi Anjania, that he's such a humble person. That's what something I get to learn from him every day. And apart from that, I would like to say he's just not a magical choreographer. He is the HOD of all the departments. Believe me. He has a hold over music, action, emotions, everything. The final thing, we call it the finishing, touching up. It's his job in all the departments. And when he does that, everything becomes just wow. And that's how wonderful and great Master Ji is. And I'm very thankful. I just cannot thank him enough in words.
डांस मूव करके बता दो ना,
Which-
बोल
which
दो ना,
one
हो
you want?
जाएगा. आपका मर्जी.
Can we do our song? Yeah? Desi Banda,
हाँ कर सकते हैं.
which you saw just now.
We all are waiting
Let's do it.
actually.
Let's do it.
Yeah,
I'll teach you. You all have to do
Hey
it.
guys,
It's very
please play
simple.
दे.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sure
आज
this-
नहीं होगा फिर. ये
Telugu
खत्म ही नहीं
people
होगा
can
आज का
rock it.
शो.
No, no, I know.
21
Telugu people
मार्च
can
आ
rock
जाएगा.
it.
ठीक
Yeah.
है चलेगा.
Okay.
एक बार आप करके
So here we
दिखाओ.
go.
अरे प्ले कर दीजिए ना सॉन्ग.
మైక్
दीजिए.
I'll sing.
ओ एक मिनट.
Just tolerate my voice. I'll sing for 5 seconds. Okay. मैं देसी बंदा बिंदास बोलूंगा राम राम. That's how simple it is.
ओ इट्स वेरी सिंपल एक्चुअली. आप भी एक बार अच्छा लगेगा.
This movement is coming from here only, Maitri filmmakers, because it's this like that and this like that.
Oh, okay, now I
That
understood.
Pushpa is doing this and the Desi Banda is doing this.
Sir, crazy sir, क्या idea है? Seriously, एकदम मस्त. So now I request Naveen ji to speak about the film.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఎవ్రీబడి న్యూ వై వీఆర్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ దిస్ ఫిలిం. దట్ ఈస్ బికాస్ అవర్ గణేష్ మాస్టర్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ వెరీ గుడ్ అసోసియేషన్ విత్ మాస్టర్. మాకు చాలా సినిమాలు చేశారు ఆయన. అండ్ లాస్ట్ మినిట్లో 3 days ముందు వెన్ ఎవర్ వీ కాల్డ్ హిమ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ దేర్ ఫర్ అస్. And that is the main reason. But I watched the rushes of this film, Kiss Kiss Kissing, and it's really good. And Master, we really have to appreciate you, your guts. See, you're not a producer; we are producers, but definitely this is really good. But taking the risk and spending so much money, and the movie is very lavish, and it's like a seasoned producer. That's what we feel when we see the movie. And songs are very good. I think T-Series is doing the songs. You have 9 songs in the movie, and 5 songs are trending. And good luck to the cast, Sushant, Jania, and Vidhi. And you got a very good opportunity. And we wish and pray that this movie becomes a huge hit and get you guys name, fame, and lot of money for our master. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో మరి ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా ద బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్, ద వరల్డ్స్ మోస్ట్ అమేజింగ్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్ గణేష్ ఆచార్యజీ గోయింగ్ టు స్పీక్ నౌ.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू विवश. मैं हिंदी बात करेगा, आप लोग को हिंदी आता है, चलेगा? थैंक यू. क्योंकि मेरी इंग्लिश थोड़ी गड़बड़ है और तेलुगु में फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरे को फीलिंग्स बहुत अच्छा आता है, बहुत सारे फीलिंग्स मेरे को. हाँ, वो सबसे पहले ये बोलूँगा, मैत्री मूवी मेकर्स, इन्होंने इस फिल्म को सपोर्ट किया, मुझे सपोर्ट किया. मैं सबसे पहले थैंक यू बोलूँगा नवीन जी, रवि जी एंड फुल ग्रुप. इन्होंने मुझे बहुत प्यार दिया. फ्रॉम पुष्पा 1 to Pushpa 2, आई एम वर्किंग लास्ट I think so 5 years in the one Tawa Mama and first Taco Mega and Rajmandri. It's like a when I'm working this company, it's like my family. मेरे को कभी भी किसी भी चीज़ का प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. I'm not anything is wrong. Everything is perfect, plan and everything. And one technician, उसको ये होता है कि मेरे को प्रोड्यूसर के पास से आए, उनके गेट द डांसर्स, इक्विपमेंट, दिस, बस फ्रॉम हियर everything is ready. I said I need 1,000 dancers, it's ready. I think 4 cameras, it's ready. Everything is ready. This is the best company I'm working in Methi Movies. And you know, that was that movie, Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2 is like big hit and big hit. And यही बोलूँगा कि for me, I'm just choreographer. They are supporting me lots. Naveen Garu, thank you very much. And for song is already big hit, Kiss Kiss Kissik. Now it's coming, Kiss Kiss Kissik, this movie, 21st March. Okay. Very small concept. This hero is have one good power. Is kissing any girlfriend, the गाल पे kiss करता है, उसका शादी की दौर हो जाता है. He's married somewhere. That's the story. And I'm playing Mama. And I'm very smart guy. And wow, this good idea. We'll make one big store, दुकान खोलेंगे, उसमें तुम लड़कियों को किस करना, उनका शादी हो जाएगा, मैं पैसा कमाएगा बहुत सारा. So that's the concept. And action is from here. Real Satish, Telugu fight master, is very good in this film. And 9 songs, बहुत ही hard work किया है. My main motive is from, because newcomers, they are not star kids, nothing, they are just struggler, but I'm trying to bring that they come forward and show the talent, and they are proof. You can see the trailer and everything. बस यही बोलूँगा. And तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री ने मुझे बहुत दिया है, बहुत, because I'm working here and I'm seeing here so down to earth and humble artists all. Bunny is Allu Arjun Bunny. I'm working with, last I did DJ Nisara Naidu, and now Pushpa 2. I first time worked with Devra, Junior NTR, Tarak, and then Ramcharan, Macha Machare. And I'm doing one more song with Chiranjeevi sir and Ramcharan sir, Buchi Babu Singh, and one film with Abhishek Nam. I just did one film. Because I'm getting more work from Telugu industry. I want to shift from Hindi, shift and stay. I love this because इधर बहुत प्यार है. Lots of love, मतलब respect, the technician respect है ना, वो यहाँ बहुत अच्छा है. मैं first time, believe me, in my life, मैं सोचा कि वो सक्सेस पार्टी है पुष्पा का, तो मैं बोला पार्टी होगा, लोग घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, ड्रिंक करेंगे. बट आई सीन वन बिग स्टेज एंड वो ऑल टेक्नीशियंस है देयर. उसमें सुकुमार, नवीन गारू, रवि गारू एंड अल्लू अर्जुन, दे स्टैंड एंड दे गिव यू ट्रॉफी टू स्पॉट बाय टू ऑल टेक्नीशियंस. वो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा इधर. इसी की वजह से इंडस्ट्री आज टॉप पे है कि हर छोटे टेक्नीशियंस को रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं. दे कॉल एंड दे हर अपने हाथ से ट्रॉफी दिया. ये रिस्पेक्ट मैंने पूरे वर्ल्ड में कहीं पे भी नहीं देखा, ना ही हॉलीवुड ने देखा, ना बॉलीवुड ने, कहीं नहीं देखा. दैट इज़ हियर. तो मुझे बहुत बहुत पसंद आया. और यही बोलूँगा कि प्लीज़ वॉच 21 मार्च को किस किस किसी का. बहुत है, हिंदी में है, तेलुगु में है, तमिल में है, कन्नड़ा में है, मलयालम में है. ये फिल्म मैंने कोशिश किया है बहुत दिल से कोशिश किया. बस थैंक यू.
सर एक और चीज़ है सर, हम जानना चाहते हैं, हमारा खूबसूरत प्रोड्यूसर है विधि आचार्य जी, उनका बारे में क्या बोलना चाहोगे आप?
Vidhi Acharya, basically my life after my mother. She's my second mother. You can tell. Yeah, I said Vidhi ki we'll make one movie, nice concept, director is there, and newcomers, and we'll make big budget. We'll take 1,000 dancers and Omkareshwaram do, and she just look at me, for newcomers, 1,000 dancers. अरे, अभी हस्बैंड के आगे क्या बोलेगी बीवी, वो हाँ ही बोलेगी. So yes, and she support me, and but my big power is my mother. And you know why I'm getting Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2 movie? Because my mother name is Pushpa, and it is in my hand. I Pushpa. I every time I show Sukumar and Bunny. See, I have one Pushpa, Pushpa. That was the Pushpa 1, Pushpa 2 in my life.
హమేషా रहेगी मतलब
Thank
మాँ
you.
का ఆశీర్వాద్. సో సార్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ సార్, ఫిలింలో ఒక యూఎస్బి అంటాం కదా, సో ఇంత బిగ్ బడ్జెట్ ఫిలిం చేయడానికి, ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేయడానికి ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఆ యూఎస్బి ఏంటి సార్ కిస్ కిస్ కిసికాలో?
It is very honest film, very family film, very family. We got the censor UA under 13, and basically you can get nice action, romance, good songs, comedy, Mama and Banja, and family drama. After years, that kind of film is coming in everywhere. So that's all. And you want nice kiss from my company side, please watch that movie.
Perfect. We all are eagerly waiting for the film, sir. So, kissing on 21st March and Mother, save the date. Anyhow, we have a Q&A session with media. For that, I request chase వేస్తే మనం స్టేజ్ మీద మనం Q&A సెషన్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. రెడీ?
1, 2, 3, 4. Kiss, 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 kissika, kissa, kissa, kiss, kissika. मैं देसी बंदा बिंदास बोलूंगा राम राम.
పర్ఫెక్ట్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, దట్ వాస్ అమేజింగ్. యా మనం
ऐसे तो बहुत सारे स्टेप है.
हाँ सर,
वो अंटा मामा में है, फिर ताको ताको मेगा मेरा फेवरेट है.
बहुत
When
सारे
we
हैं.
did first taco taco, the only shoulder mode.
దట్ వాజ్ లైక్ ఒక స్టెప్లో పవర్ని చూడడం అంటే మనం దాంట్లో చూస్తాం అనమాట. సో ఎస్,